Hello.
Hello,
Hi. How are you?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. I feel like I'm looking at a movie or something with the beard. It's
Yes,
like
yes, yes. You mean that
it's
I was
unusual,
tall?
huh? But because you look like a character
You
from a
mean,
movie or something with the long beard.
yes, okay, thank you.
Yes. What's your name?
Yes, yes. Can you tell me which movie you just thought after looking at me?
Not any one movie, just in general because uh
Dictate
no. Like just because it's different from anything I usually see. So, like, I have a lot of, for example, a lot of Arab students, but I never see anyone with a movie like with a beard like this.
me? Okay, thank you. So, what's your
Yes,
name?
my name is Kate. Yeah,
Okay, great.
yeah,
So, my name is Ramzan.
Ramzan. Okay. And which country are you in?
I am from India,
Ah, okay. And which part of India?
northern part of India.
Ah, okay. So, which languages do you speak?
I speak English, Urdu,
Hmm.
and other than that, we have our native language, which is Pahari.
Bahari. Okay. And
Yes,
what's your reason for wanting to improve your English?
it was that I want to communicate with the people who are living in other countries.
Hmm.
So that's why I tried to connect with. I am trying to work on my communication skills so that
Hmm.
I should talk with the other people who are living in other countries.
Okay. All right. So the country I'm living in is
Yes.
Kenya. Have you spoken to anyone living in Kenya before?
No,
Then
never.
there you go. So you can tick another country off your list.
Yes, yes, of course. So
Yeah.
you are the new one for me. Yes,
I'm the
you are the first person from Kenya whom
exactly.
I am talking.
Exactly. So I'm saying it's good for your goals to have another country to add to the list.
And uh, and this is for the first time that I am seeing a woman who is having the hairs like a like a man. I mean, boy.
Really? Your first time ever?
Yes, really. I never seen such type of hairs.
This with this short you've never seen a woman with short
Short
hair.
hairs.
Wow. Okay. So
Yes.
yeah, my first time to see a beard like this long, and your first time to see a hair this short. Okay, yeah.
Yes.
So even in you've never seen a woman, for example, in India, sometimes women shave their heads in the temples. No, certain Hindu temples.
No.
Never.
No, 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 no.
Ah, I once watched a documentary where people were going to a temple and shaving their heads.
So those were maybe male, not female.
No, there was also women doing it.
So
Maybe
maybe
it's
there
just
would
one
be the
temple.
people.
Yeah.
Yes, it would be.
Yeah, it's not a common thing.
Yes, it's not a common.
Ah, okay. And then also like in Buddhist countries, it's also common for women to shave their heads in the temple.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's your profession?
I teach English. That's my profession.
I
Yeah.
mean, on the Cambly, are you have any other school or college?
No, I was working in, do you know this international development? International development. I was working in this industry.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. That was
Okay.
my profession, but now I'm just teaching English on Cambly and another platform.
Okay, that's fine. That's
Yeah.
great.
What about you?
So, yes, I am a software developer. I work on websites and mobile apps.
Okay. And do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I have my tools YouTube channel.
You have a?
I have one website where I developed some tools,
Yeah.
and those tools, for those tools, I also make some videos that how to use those tools.
Aha, I thought so. Okay. Because I was going to say if you don't have a YouTube channel, you should have one.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
And do you have that?
I want to start one actually. I want to start one. Some students told me I should start one, so I'm thinking about it. Do you have any advice?
Yes, yes, of course. Yes, yes, of course. You should also start the YouTube channel because your way of talking is very much good. And if you are working on a YouTube channel, then you can also teach other people,
Hmm.
and most of the people will be connecting with you in because of that.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. But I don't know if I want to do one for English teaching. I might do one for a different subject.
Yes, you can choose any of the subject and just need to upload some videos, and definitely people would be connecting with you if you are adding some value in their life.
Yeah, well, that's the idea, right? To
Yes,
add
that's the
something.
important idea. There is no shortcut.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, actually, because you smile a lot, right? You're always smiling.
Yes, yes,
Yeah, so
yes.
that's also why I was saying I feel like I'm looking at a film because this nice smile. Yeah. So
Actually, this is, yes, go ahead.
yeah, so some of my students say because I smile a lot, that's why I should do YouTube, because to do YouTube you have to be a person who smiles a lot.
Yes, yes, that is the good point of view because if you are smiling, you are making the other people positive. So in that way, they could understand your things easily.
Yeah, exactly. What were you going to say before that?
I am talking about that if you are having a smiling face,
Hmm.
then at that moment, while teaching, the other people who are connected with you, they will be uh, easily accepting your knowledge.
That's true. Yeah, it makes people feel more comfortable, I think. Yeah.
Yes, if you are frustrated and you have a type of frustration or maybe stress, then definitely other people will be also frustrated from your mindset or maybe your facial expression.
That's
So
true.
in that way, they will not feel comfortable and even they will get bored.
True, true. And I think it also helps encourage people with their own learning as well when you have a positive attitude, because otherwise they feel bad about their mistakes sometimes.
Yes, yes, this, of course.
Yeah.
So, do you have any specific type of incident which you can share with me that can help in my life?
Hmm. A specific type of incident? What
Yes,
do you mean by incident?
yes. Incident means that can give me a moral lesson.
That can give you
A moral
a moral
lesson.
lesson. Ah, like can I share a story with you? Or yeah.
Yes.
Oh gosh, no one ever asked me that before actually. Okay, I would say, have you ever left your country? You've
No.
never left your country. Okay. So have you ever left
No.
the city that you come from?
Yes.
You have.
Yes.
Okay. So I would say when I was in my early 20s, I left my country. I came to an African country where I didn't know anyone at all. I didn't have any friends. I didn't have any family. I didn't even have a job. I had to seek one and find one. And I think what that taught me is that really all people are the same. It doesn't matter where they come from. Actually, it really taught me that absolutely everyone is the same, and everyone is just someone who can easily be a friend to you. So that's my learning. Maybe you already had this lesson for yourself.
Yes, of course. But this is the good thing that you have just shown me, and even in that way, I can also get the lesson that if I am in the new place, then I must have to keep in mind
Everyone is the same.
about
Everyone
this.
is